Welcome back everybody again to my channel. In this video we're going to learn about new Python topic called f-strings. So if you have come from languages like C, C++, we use percentage symbol and the type of the data in our print statements, and afterwards we give it the values that we're going to use in our print statements. Got confused? Let me show you. So in this video we're going to learn how we can place values into our print statements. So let's get started. So first of all, let me make two lists. First of all, my name, then Python, and then there is one more person, our favorite C. And let's use make our role name. So Rohit, programmer. Okay, fine. Python language, and C, mother of languages. So C is a great language. If you want to learn C, then do comment me. I will make a separate playlist for you. So now what we need to do is we need to make a for loop to access each of these values. So I'm gonna access them through their indexes. So if you haven't learned about indexing, string manipulation, I have make a video. You're gonna find it in the I button up here. Go watch that after this video. So for I in range of len of names, so what this gonna do is range is gonna give us a range from 0 to a total length, and length function will give us the total length of our names list. So this is gonna return 3, and this will run a range from 0 to 2 because that consists of three values 0, 1 and 2 due to indexing starting from 0. Now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna write a print statement. If someone is from C language, you all must know that we use F here, but now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna write myself and then some curly braces. So it's fine, but we need to put something here else too because it's f string, so we're gonna put a f here. Now what we're gonna put here, so we need to define what values we're gonna put here. So that's gonna be names and every index. So first of all it will take names 0, that is gonna be Rohit, then names 1, that's Python, and finally names 2, that's C. Now this is done, and I'm gonna write my role is, and it will be roles I, and it works as the same. It will take values according to their turns. Now this is done. So as you can understand, in C or C++, we used to put here percentage %s to tell that we gonna put here a string or an item which is a string from an array, because we used a for loop here. Sorry. Now let's run our code. So the shortcut is control and tilde symbol. Let me just show you. It's something like this. Now to run a Python file, I'm gonna write Python 3 to define the version I will be using and the name of the file. So it's fstring.py, and as you can see it's working fine. So that was all for today. Like, share and subscribe for next video, and see you in the next one.